Hi everybody, Mark Adams here. I've been doing something that's been really fun lately, and that's been sharing with people some of my most favorite tools. But there's one thing that's not a tool that has always been one of my most favorite resources, and that's a book. And so I'd like to share that with you right now. I have in my library thousands and thousands and thousands of books. But this one book by John Ferrier is my favorite of all time, partly because it was given to me by my grandma in the 70s as a gift, and she wrote a nice little tribute in there to me. But at the same time, even though Ferrier's been gone for a long time, it's a remarkable reference book. And so it tells you everything about every machine, the safe way to use them, the right way. He wrote all the textbooks that were used in high schools and in colleges through the 40s, 50s, and 60s. And even though a lot of the photos are black and white, the processes and the techniques are exactly still applicable to today. And so for me, this is my go-to book. A lot of what I know today has come from this book, Cabinet Making and Millwork by John Ferrier.